Welcome all to my first YouTube video. Today I am talking about drawing of organic molecules in ChemDraw. This is a software. By the use of this software, we can draw structures of organic molecules, their reaction mechanism, as well as we get some more information about the structure like chemical and physical properties of the molecule. We can have prediction of H1 and C13 NMR spectrums. Also, we can have the mass fragments which is possible for any particular molecule. For using this software, you must have a downloaded and installed software in your computer. Once you have installed software in your computer, you go to the desktop, right click, go to new and double click on this CS Chem Drawing. You will have generation of this new icon, new CS Chem Draw. Double click it, you'll get opening of this your Chem Draw window. As like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, we have different tools available with this particular software. Here, very important tool is this main toolbar. This main toolbar includes all required necessary things like different shapes of organic molecule, then different type of bonds. You have facility to draw some text in your structure, and those are some selection keys. We can have different type of arrows to draw a reaction mechanism or reaction. We have different type of orbitals available to draw. Then we have symbols. We have to write different signs, plus, minus, like that. Also, we have this another general toolbar, and this is a style bar. Okay, just start with the very simple molecule. You take a bond. While drawing a molecule, you must have to take care of that. Once you get the blue tick at the end of the bond, then you have to again left key, press your left key. You will get joining of that with another bond. Again, if you want to write here double bond, you click here. Once you get the blue tick, then click, you'll get a new carbon-carbon bond. Now again, if you want to have a double bond, you go to middle of the bond and again left click. You'll get the double bond. To write the oxygen here, you just go to this particular A sign, which is for writing text. Again, go here and you must have a blue sign. Then click and write O. Now this is your acetate. So you want to give a name. If you want to select this, you go to this selection key. You will get the selection of this particular molecule. Now if you want to get the name for this, you just go to structure and convert your structure to name. This is the one facility available. Directly you will get the name propane 2-one. If you want to write its common name, just go to this A and separately you can write acetone like this, or you can take directly the name from software. Okay. Now this is your molecule. If you want to get information about this structure, you go to view, show analysis window. You'll get the formula of the molecule, you get the exact mass, molecular weight, M by Z ratios, then carbon, hydrogen, oxygen ratio. If you want to get this information, you just paste it, you'll get this information here and can use it. Another thing you can do with this, again you click on any bond or any carbon, double click, you will have a selection of this molecule. Again go to structure and predict H1 NMR shift. You'll get the H1 NMR spectrum. This is predicted H1 NMR spectrum, and you can find here chemical shift values for those 2-methyl appears as a singlet and only one line in your NMR spectrum. This is predicted NMR. Also we can have, again select this molecule, again go to the structure, predict C13 NMR shift, you'll get this C13 NMR. We have two NMR lines, one for the carbonyl carbon, one for the methyl carbon. So the 3.1, this is here, we'll have identification like this, then this is for carbonyl. Another thing, we can have drawing of any reaction. Just again try to write the acetone. This is your acetone molecule. You have to convert this acetone into, so this is reaction arrow, you have to take reliable one, so this one. Okay, if you want to have aldol condensation reaction, you can take on reaction arrow, what should be there, NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Your product will be or you directly write the alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Here, if you want to show the reaction mechanism, you have a generation of OH minus from NaOH, so we have to write it properly. This is showing you it is not correct, so you must write the negative sign here on the oxygen, then you will get no red mark. So this is the correct way. Now you can have arrow, you will have attack of this OH to show the attack. Okay, so here we want to have writing of hydrogens. You must write the hydrogens here. Okay, all the hydrogens are there. Now it not look like, or it is not going to show you a good picture. You just select it, and there is another facility. Go to structure, and we have clean up the structure. Once you get the clean up the structure, you will get the good looking structures. Now go to this, you can have abstraction of this hydrogen. you just arrange this. It goes to carbon. What you'll get here after this, you don't have to write structure again. You just click here. You have to select this, press the control key and left key, drag down. You'll get another structure of this molecule. Now you have to remove this hydrogen from the carbon. You just move your cursor here. Once you get the blue tick, enter delete or backspace. Now you have to write which sign here? Negative sign. So just click here and you get negative sign on this. Okay, so likewise you can carry forward your mechanism towards this alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Also there is a facility to write some aromatic compounds like this, some cyclohexanes we can write. We can join them with each other. We can have facility of writing this. This we can join with the another molecule like this. For example, if you want to join this with the 5-membered ring, like this we can join. Then you can give color to your molecule. Suppose this is your molecule. You double click at any bond of your molecule, you'll have a selection. Before that, you must have clicked to this particular selection key. Okay, you'll have, suppose this is the molecule, this is your product. You want to give color. Here there is a facility to write the color. So this is the red. We get the red color. This is starting molecule. You have to give color another. Starting is blue, product is red, like that. Here we are writing anything on arrow. When you are writing anything on arrow, for example, you are writing CH3 CH2 OH. Now this is not as per our requirement. So we want to have CH3 CH2OH. Those 3 and 2 should be the bottom. So we will have to click on this CH2. We will have CH3 CH2OH as per our requirement. When you want to write something like temperature, for example, you are writing 150 degree Celsius. So this should be at the top. So you have to click on X square. You will get it here. Likewise, you can write temperature also on your reaction arrow. If you want to align, for example, you take this molecule here and this molecule. Many of the time there is a problem of aligning, or if you want to take them in one line, you click anywhere in your structure, you get selection. Again click on shift, again click on another molecule. We have selection of both the molecules together. You go to the object, you can have align and you get the top, center, anywhere you want to have. So just if you take bottom edge, you will have the aligning of your molecules at the same bottom line. There is another thing. For example, if you want to write this molecule in bracket, so there is another facility, add frame. Brackets are there, then rectangles, rounded rectangles with shadow available. For example, rounded rectangle with shadow. So you'll get this such type of thing. So if you can decorate your pictures more and more. Also in your object there is another thing, that is yes, in your view we have analysis window that already we have seen, then chemical properties window, we have melting point, boiling point, critical temperature, those things you can see. For example, if you click on this particular molecule, or this one, okay, we'll get this boiling point, Kelvin, melting point. This is software generated things. Sometimes it may not match with your actual things, but it is grade 1. We have another facility, you can make bold, it will look like this. Here we have written this particular reaction. I'm going to delete all other things. Okay, this is the reaction we have written, that is conversion of acetone into alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Okay. This is the reaction we have written. So we can write any molecule. There is another facility, you just go to the structure and convert name to structure. Now if you want to write any molecule, just type the name of the molecule, acetaldehyde. You will get the structure of acetaldehyde. Or you can have some big molecule, acetophenone. Just take it here. You get the picture of molecule quickly over here. As far as writing of molecules, reactions and reaction mechanism, this is very useful software for organic chemist or any organic chemistry people can use this software to draw molecules while having a setting of question papers, also during writing research papers, during writing book or thesis. This is very useful to write different organic molecule structures, different reactions schemes, and various reaction mechanisms are also possible to write with this particular software. By using this software, we will come to know different physical and chemical properties of that particular molecule, and we will also able to predict H1 and C13 NMR. Thank you.